Friends, today 19th January, starting off my field with spinach, and from here our potato plants which I have updated till date, and this is for the 19th Jan 2022 update. So hope you will be satisfied with the day-to-day progress of my field, and for you this update is very important because the entire cropland is prepared exclusively by our skilled team, and the height, diameter of the plant, foliage development, everything is quite satisfactory. We have seen few plants underneath of the soil, the rooting system and the development of the tubers. So we got a very nice performance in every plant. 10 to 8 tubers already initiated. So this is another. You have seen this thing before, but then it was very indistinct, but now these are prominent in appearance. You can see the land there. Also you can see this is our seed bed, and every potato plants have its own nutritional requirement, and we are fulfilling all these. And right now until date we are observing every plant is very much healthy without any disease. Today we have applied few fungicide, systemic and contact, available in the market, and hope this will encourage the growth of the plant and prevent the fungal diseases. From the day to day we are expecting 20 more days to go for having a good crop, and all the viewers will get the update how much we are getting from this cropland. And our team is incessantly working, and we hope everyone's labor will bring some result. And the plants, see the plant, it's growing upward without any disease. So our main attraction, because we are doing this project without any see, every plant is doing its work and all are growing. The growth is very high. It's for you, for the viewers, you will get the information about the potato cropping, about the proper management of this crop, because many people try to initiate this process, but due to lack of information, due to lack of proper scheduling of the various sprays, various nutrient supply time to time, they failed to grow a huge crop. They were expecting a good crop, and we have provided first time water, and after watering of this land, you can see the mark, the height we have maintained to watering this crop. And that was the last one. You can see a uniform development. Like the seeds available in the market. But you know, sometimes the minerals is not uniform, so we get some variation in the cropping field. So I hope everyone will enjoy this video. This is for the knowledge. Please subscribe my channel for the latest update we're going to provide. Thank you. Have a nice day. And my friends is calling beside me to show you the another side of the cropland. So I'm moving from here. Enjoy the view. Sometimes the field is not heavily dense as before, but from this side you can see every plant is looking for an opportunity to grow. So I hope we'll get a good crop this year, and all credit goes to those who have encouraged me to carry on this project, because sometimes it's very difficult to work with individual support, because it requires huge investment. This cropland actually remind me about a good certified seed. But for the viewers, for their information, I can assure you this seed is entirely on my own effort. This portion of what you are observing is treated and differently treated. So we hope this will grow huge and will get you the update. This will be bushy. After a few days, I will update everything. Please do subscribe and wait for the update. Everyone will enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day.